We have a 2019 BMW 430 Gran Coupe. Looks like the vehicle may have rolled over. You have some damage to the left front fender. Left front door looks like it needs to be replaced. Looks like you can save the left rear door and quarter panel. Got some damage to the rocker panel, which you can probably save. Some damage to the A-pillar. You're definitely going to need a roof skin and sunroof glass. Back glass is okay. Windshield is okay. Vehicle starts and drives. Trunk is okay, rear bumper is okay. You have some damage on this side as well. Need a left rear tail light, right rear tail light, I'm sorry. Definitely gonna need a quarter skin on this side. Some damage here. Gonna need a right rear door as well. Right front door looks like it can be saved. Let's go to the front of the vehicle. The right fender needs to be replaced. You may be able to save the hood. The right front headlight needs to be replaced. Take a look inside. A nice two-tone interior, brown with black. It's in really good shape. Seat airbag that's deployed. Just on one side. Good morning, good morning. Let's see if we get in the hood. It's nice and square under the hood. You don't see any signs of damage to the structure. Even here, maybe here a little bit's got to come up. It's pretty square, nice, no damage to the cooling, the engine, radiator support. This one does start. It does drive the way you see it. If you like our videos, subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting our inventory. It's the fastest way you can see it before they even go on the website. Like the video, and we'll keep them coming. Thanks.